Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the online chemistry class of Sri Gokulam Public School. I am Shabina Jishad, your new chemistry teacher. How are you, children? Hope all are doing well and safe at home. Today, we are going to begin with our first chapter, Chapter 3, Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. Children, you already learned about fibers and what are the different types of fibers in your lower classes. What are fibers? A very thin thread-like strands from which cloth is made is called fibers. What are the different types of fibers? There are natural fibers and man-made fibers. You already learned about natural fibers in your grade 6 and 7. In this chapter, you have to learn about what are synthetic fibers. What is synthetic fiber? Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. They are prepared in the laboratory by using chemicals. They are not natural. What are synthetic fibers? Let us discuss this in detail.
Here, the structure of a synthetic fiber can be compared to that of a necklace. In this necklace, many beads are joined together with a thread. Here, one bead is considered as a chemical substance. Like that, a synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units joined together. Each small unit is a chemical substance which is called a monomer. Many such small units combine to form a large single unit called a polymer. So, a synthetic fiber is a polymer. So, what is a polymer? Many small units combine to form a large single unit is called a polymer. Polymer comes from two Greek words, poly and mer. Poly means many and mer means part or unit. So what are synthetic fiber? A synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together.
Moving on, what are the different types of synthetic fibers? In this chapter, you have to learn about 4 types of synthetic fibers. They are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Let us learn about this in detail.
Types of synthetic fibers. First one is rayon. As you know, silk fiber was very costly. So, scientists were developed a new material having the similar property of that of silk. It is called rayon. Rayon is also called as artificial silk. Rayon was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. Rayon is cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fibers. Uses of rayon. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets. Rayon is also mixed with wool to make carpets. Next one is nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. It was made without using any natural raw material. It was prepared from coal, water and air. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light. It was lustrous and easy to wash. Nylon is used in many articles such as socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, curtains, etc. Nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. So, nylon is used for making parachutes, and ropes for rock climbing. Next is polyester. Polyester is made up of repeating units of chemical called ester. Polyester does not get wrinkled easily. It remains crisp and it's easy to wash. Terylene is a popular polyester that can be woven like any other yarn. PET is a familiar form of polyester which is used for making bottles, utensils, etc. There are some type of polyester which is a mixture of polyester and some other fibers. For example, polycoat and polywool. Polycoat is a mixture of polyester and cotton, whereas polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. Uses of polyester. Polyesters are used for making bottles, utensils, film wires, making dress material, etc. The next synthetic fiber is acrylic. Acrylic is a type of synthetic fiber which resembles wool. They are less expensive and are available in a variety of colors. Acrylic are used for making sweaters, shawls, blankets, etc.
So that's all for today's class. Hope you all understood this topic. I have attached a PDF of this lesson. Go through the lesson and learn well. I also attached a video URL, test questions and notes. Copy the notes and study well. If there is any doubt, we can clear it in the live session. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.